Assalamualaikum. In today's video, I want to show you our tracking implementations that I recently completed for one of my clients. In this project, I successfully implemented 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗃 and Conversion API, 𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 and Events API, Google_4 and Google Ads conversion tracking. The goal of this setup was to sense accurate product data and user information to each platform based on their specific requirements. For Meta and TikTok, I implemented server-side tracking, and for Google_4 and Google Ads, I implemented browser-side tracking. Everything is now working perfectly, and all the events and parameters are being sent accurately to each platforms. So in this video, I want to explain how this setup works, why it is important, and how it benefits advertising platforms. In this project, I implement the following tracking systems. First, I implement Facebook pixel and conversion API, like Meta pixel and conversion API. You can see here, these are our browser events, like this one, and these are our server events, right? This one is our Meta pixel and conversion API. And second, TikTok pixel with events API using server side. You can see this one. Okay. Also, we are sending all the server data from here. Okay, like we are using Google Analytics for API events. Okay, and third, Google Analytics 4. These are our Google Analytics 4 events. Okay, and the final Google Ads conversions tracking using browser side tracking, like this. You can see here. This is our Google Ads. Okay, and also here have Microsoft Clarity, and another one is data layer. We are pushed on our data layer, the add to cart, because when anyone land our website and click on add to cart button, that means our add to cart won't be working. That's why I'm enable on custom data layer to send these add to cart events. So don't worry about this. So I configured the setups carefully to ensure that product data, event parameters, and user informations are sent accurately and according to each platform specifications. Now let's talk about why accurate tracking is so important. So when we send accurate data to advertising platforms like Meta, TikTok, and Google, their AI systems analyzes that data. These platforms use advanced algorithms to understand user behavior. For example, when someone views a product, add it to the cart, or complete a purchase, those events are sent to the advertising platforms. Because on that data, the platforms can optimize the campaigns and show ads to people who are more likely to purchase similar products. This is how advertising platforms create a lookalike audience and high-performing targeting campaigns. When accurate data is sent, the platform's AI system or algorithm can better understand who your ideal customer are. As a result, campaign optimization improve, targeting becomes more accurate, advertising platforms increase, and product sales can grow significantly. So, accurate tracking is extremely important for businesses that want to scale their advertising. Now, I will show you the accurate setups, which one I already show with you, and I want to show you which type of events and parameters we are sending on our platform like Meta, TikTok, Google, right? So let's see my screen share. I will share my screen and I want to check our data. It is working perfectly or not. So you already see this one, right? These are all the tags. And also if I check our purchase, the data from our server, then we can see here we are sending all the product information from our Facebook, and another one is TikTok, like TTCL ID and TTP. These are TikTok cookie. Okay, so yeah, and also if I check our Google Tag Manager server container, and you can see this TikTok events API for our TikTok events, and these are our conversion API for our Facebook, like Meta. So now I need to test our events. It is working or not. So first of all, I will preview my server container. Okay, then now I have to check our tag assistant, our page will be fired or not. So yeah, this is our container load, and yeah, Facebook browser side page view event, server side page view event, and TikTok browser side page view event is working. Now click on initialization, and this is our Google tag on GA4, right? And also Google Ads Google tag is working. So now I need to check our tag manager debug mode on server page view events working. Also our event manager is working. Also if I check our Google _, click on admin, data display, and debug preview, then yes, these are our page view events on GA4. Actually, view item working. Previous times I learned view our product, that's why this our view item is working. Okay, now I need to go to website and view our product. This is our product. Okay, go to tag. Okay, this is our Google _, here. Also, this is our tag manager debug mode on the server. View item this one, and this is working. Conversion API and TikTok events API, both server side working. This is our event manager, view item events. This is our server events. Yeah, we are sending 7 parameters here: value, currency, item, content ID, and everything here. Content ID, like ID, item price, and quantity. Okay, we are sending this array of stick. And this is our G4 events. So close this one, and yes, this is our view item events. And if I go to the items, then you can see item ID, quantity, price. Okay, every data available here. Also, this is our currency, and this is our value. Okay, so now I need to go our tag assistant here, view items. We are sending all the this view item events all the platforms, right? So now I need to go to website and click on add to cart, 3 product add to cart. Okay, I need to again click on add to cart button. Oh yeah, this is our add to cart is working. Okay, I click multiple times add to cart button, that's why. Okay, add to cart also we are setting all the data on our Google Ads, like currency, items. Okay, also this is our browser, Facebook browser events. This is our this is our TikTok browser here. We are sending contents array. And this is our Google _, and this is our server for Facebook and TikTok both. And this is our add to cart on the tag manager debug mode here on the server. Okay, so event manager here, add to cart also working. This is our browser events, and this is our server events. We are sending 8 parameters. Okay, this is our Google _, here. Okay, yeah, this is our add to cart items, and yeah, we are sending quantities 3. Okay, now I need to go to checkout page. Okay, this is our checkout page, and I need to check our checkout events here. Okay, we need to waiting sometimes. Okay, here you can see server here checkout, begin checkout is working for our conversion API and TikTok events API. If I check our TikTok events here, you can see this events is initial checkout, yeah, event ID, event time, TTP, cookie, external ID, IP address, user agent. Here content ID, content name, here brand, price, content category, quantity, currency, and value. Okay, so this is good. And if I check out event manager, Facebook event manager, this is our checkout server events, and this is our browser events. Okay, this is our event ID is both the same, right? We are also same all the product information here. Okay, so everything server and browser is working. So now go to tag assistant here, begin checkout, and yeah, we are sending on our Google Ads conversions events file, so items array. Okay, now I want to make a purchase, so I keep my billing details here. Okay, then click on place order button. Okay, this is our thank you page. Okay, so now I need to check our purchase events. Okay, so this is our tag assistant here, purchase events. We are sending all the product information and user information on every platforms here. Okay, you can see Google Ads user provided data here. We are send user informations here. Okay, so this is our Google Ads conversions here. Here you can see our user data here. Okay, then conversion ID, conversion currency code. This is items array. Also, we are sending some information like transaction ID, new customer. Oh, these are missing, right? Oh, sorry. We need to fix this one. Okay, just a second. Conversion value. This is our total conversion value. Okay, this is our new customer. We are missing one thing, so I need to. Okay, just a second. We are checking our server. Okay, so we are checking our Google Ads conversions for our purchase event. Okay, so we just change our new customer parameters. Okay, yeah, we are added this one, but we are missing something. We need to use here customer type. Yeah, right, customer customer type is this one for Google Ads, and here it will be lifetime value. Okay, customer lifetime value. So lifetime value, this one, yes. Then click on save, and I hope our parameter it will be working very well. Now I need to check our technology debug mode, like server here, purchase, both like server here, purchase, and you can see this our purchases and our Facebook events and TikTok events API is working. Wow. And if I check our TikTok events here, purchase, and here I have all the information available, right? So that's mean it is very good working. So yeah. So now I need to go to our event manager. Here you can see this purchase event, and this is our server purchase event, and we are sent all the product information, and you can see here container ID is array of string. Okay, that's good. Just okay. So now you can see here user data, right? So we are sending all the customer informations here. Yeah, it is also good for improve our event master quality. Yeah, so you can see this event ID, and this server event ID, and this one is browser event ID. That's when our duplicate problem it will be solved. That's the main, it is totally working. And if I check our Google Analytics 4 here, yeah, you can see this purchase event, and here we are sending all the product information. Here you can see like this one. Okay, also this is our transaction ID, and this is our value. If I check our like if I go to our website here, transaction ID and our GA4 transaction ID is same. Okay, so items ID here, items ID, then items name, and our price and num items like quantity, right? And if you want to send accurate tracking data to platforms like Meta, TikTok, Google Analytics 4, and Google Ads, I highly recommended implementing your tracking setups using Google Tag Manager. And for server-side tracking, I recommended using Stape.io server, which is a powerful solution for server-side events tracking. If you need help implement Meta Pixel and Conversion API, TikTok Pixel and Event API, Google Analytics 4, Google Ads conversion tracking, server-side tracking, and more other platforms side tracking, feel free to contact with me. I specialize in advanced website tracking and analytics implementations, and I know how to configure tracking systems according to each platform requirements. If you want accurate data, better campaigns, optimizations, and high conversions performance, I would be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.